Araw. Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte has declared a lockdown of the capital Metro Manila.
Bawal lumabas ng bahay ang mga residente maliban sa frontliners tulad ng health workers, mga sundalo at empleyado.
The vaccine researchers. They are the one who conduct a study about the different vaccine that we can use to prevent serious illness, medical expenses, and disease outbreak in our community. In this time of pandemic, we can consider them as one of our heroes because they are the reason why we have COVID vaccine, like Pfizer, Moderna, and Sinovac. Because of their patience and hard work to create a vaccine, we can now able to stop this pandemic.
So, who are the real heroes in this time of pandemic? It is all the army personnel. We all know that they are involved in response and rescue efforts during calamities, but aside from that, they are one of the real heroes in this time of pandemic. We consider them as frontliners. They help pack all the relief goods as well as they ensure that health protocols can actually be followed, because military has played a key role in implementing official COVID-19 control measures in our country. They operate checkpoints, distribute foods, and manage local quarantine regulations. They risk their own lives to help others during this COVID-19 pandemic.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride?
Sending thanks and warm thoughts to all the frontliners, truly heroes who are working through this challenging time in the middle of health crisis. You are the best and the bravest. The real heroes that I can consider in this pandemic are those workers who provide goods and services in the middle of pandemic where our health is at risk. And those are the delivery boys or delivery mans who still provide us goods and services that risk their lives for us. And so are you. You can be a real hero in this pandemic on just easy things you can do, like following the safety protocols and having this advocacy or letting others to know what they can do about helping our community to get rid of this crisis.
For me, the real life heroes in this time of COVID-19 is our parents and our loved ones. Why? Because they are the ones who can be exposed to the virus. They are the ones who's working and sacrificing for us. They are the ones who support our needs during these uncertain times. They are the ones who's striving so that we can feel our tummies, and we can feel and we can experience hunger during this pandemic. They are our safety net during this global health crisis. Our parents and our loved ones is our constant source of strength, energy, and motivation so that we can continue striving hard during this time. My heart goes to them because they are the ones who are vulnerable during this time. So I want to take this opportunity to thank every parents for their dedication, passion, and sacrifices that they did to all of us. So as a child, we should be grateful to them because we are safe during this pandemic. Thank you and stay safe.
I love to sit, contemplate.
Nursing is an absolute essential career. Nurses help to hold up our healthcare system and the thousands of healthcare organizations they work in. They deal day in and day out with us when we're at worst, sick and tired and often fed up with the healthcare system. They take our blood pressure, give us our medication, and check in on us when we're in the hospital as they make their rounds. They walk nearly 5 miles a day going back and forth between patients. Nurses do all this while still treating patients with kindness, compassion, and grace. Today, as the healthcare system is turned upside down by the spread of COVID-19, nurses are absolutely critical to preserving the patient experience. For patients isolated in the hospital, unable to receive visitors due to strict quarantine orders, nurses are often the only people who can bring them the comfort of human company. The stories coming out of hospitals amid the coronavirus pandemic have been devastating, but there have also been inspirational stories proving that nurses are our heroes. That's all. Thank you and goodbye.